What's the meaning of colonel? Colonel. Colonel.
Colonel. Colonel. Colonel is an abbreviation for the word colonel. It is a title used in many military organizations around the world, typically denoting a high-ranking officer who commands a regiment or a brigade. The word is derived from the Italian word colonnello, which means column leader. Colonels are typically responsible for planning and executing military operations, training and leading their troops, and managing resources under their command. In some countries, the title of colonel may also be used as an honorary or ceremonial rank, bestowed upon individuals who have made significant contributions to the military or civil society.